Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 80 divided by 20 parenthesis 2 plus 3. Now we solve it by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division. Multiplication or division we solve from left to right. Then addition or subtraction we solve from left to right. Now we have one division, and you know that here is multiplication and one parenthesis. Inside of the parenthesis we have one addition. So first of all we solve according to the PEMDAS rule. We solve parenthesis. So the equation becomes 80 divided by 20. Inside of the parenthesis give us 5, and you know here is multiplication, so sign of multiplication, and 2 plus 3 give us 5. Now we have one division and one multiplication, so the according of the rules of PEMDAS we solve first division, because we solve from left to right. In left side we have division and right side we multiplication. We start from left side. So 80 divided by 20 give us 4 multiplied by 5. Now the equation become 4 times 5 give us 20, and the final answer is 20. Thanks for watching.